Hi guys, so today we're gonna be making slime. The first thing you need to do is have your things to make the slime, I guess. Okay, so you need a bowl, some glue, a spoon, some borax water, and a shaving cream. And if you want food coloring. First thing you do is you pour out your glue like this. Just let it fall. You don't need, you get to choose the amount of glue you want. I just have, I guess, a lot, so I'm just gonna let it pour and keep pouring until it's done. Cause, oh my god, it's come out. Okay. Should come out. Oh my gosh, is there more? Okay, there's a little bit more. There. Okay. So then if you want to, you can add the food coloring or you can add the shaving cream if you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the shaving cream first. The shaving cream first. Okay, that is a lot of shaving cream, but anyway, and you just start mixing until you mix to your desire. And okay, so then food coloring. I need this too. Okay, so then the food coloring right here. Okay, you take your food coloring and you add your colors. Sorry, she's kind of off today. Yeah, I'm here with friends, so don't worry about it. Sorry. Okay, anyway. Just keep mixing. 2 minutes. Nobody cares. Okay, so then you just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Add more shaving cream. Too much. Okay. It's not gonna turn out well. Okay. Oh yeah, and by the way, you also, maybe if you want to, need lotion. Yeah, because we'll show you the lotion
that you should get. That works best. Relieving. Make sure it's relieving salve.
Suave.
Okay, make sure it's this kind.
It's
good for
suave.
I don't know. Then, once you're done mixing all your colors, you can add
No, wait, don't do it. I want to add my thing. Okay, so I'm gonna add borax.
You have to make sure you add borax and water, not just borax.
And mix it in slowly until you get to your desired amount. Sorry if my but yeah, I'll just pour all of it in.
She likes eating
I do not like that. Okay, so you just keep mixing it and mixing it until you feel like you are done making it. And like until you need to knead it.
like test it. You can also test it, but if it's still like really sticky, then don't eat it.
It's not sticky. I think I added way too much. Like that. We're just gonna add a lot.
It'll turn out fluffy. If you don't add shaving cream, it'll turn out different. It'll turn out just regular, not fluffy.
So just when you want to knead it, oh my god, this is a lot of slime. Okay. Okay. So it's like it could turn out like this. Oh my gosh, it's still
Sorry about the background noise.
It's not like slime. Yeah.
So you just keep kneading until you want it that way.
We don't need any more. We need lotion. See, my hands are covered.
So lotion. Get this lotion. Good brand.
No, just use the lotion. Put a lot in. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Then you want to mix it. So
You can also-
why you add this is one reason why you add the lotion is because it makes it smell so good.
And it also makes it stretchier, and it makes it really smooth. But if you add too much, it might deflate your slime.
So don't add too much, kids. Sounds like a pig. Okay. I don't care. So just show them this now.
This is another slime. We'll come back to this one. Now Ava, she's just making another slime.
Can I touch it? It sucks. Oh gosh. And the hard part is to know.
Let me knead it. Let me knead it.
No, I got it. Oh, and then should I add more lotion? So then we're gonna add the. Wait, what do you add now?
So then you're gonna add some shaving cream.
Don't put too much like I did. This is slime. It's like okay. And I'm adding way too much, so I'm just. Oh my god.
So this is Ava's. I don't think it's too much. It's just gonna be fluffy. But
That's all that shaving cream does. And it gets it.
then by this time, you can add food coloring if you would like. Like, this is the one I got this at Target. You don't have to get this brand, but this is the one I got.
This is the one I have. The sorted. You can get this at Dollar Tree. Like literally, this is probably cheaper than that is. So I'm gonna be making like the green. Is this yours? So to make the green, you just like the green I'm making. Gosh. You know what? Colors. Just like so it gets through all of your slime. See, because now it's turning like very light. And it's like a mint almost.
You might not see it on this, but in real life, it's very pretty.
Yes, it's very pretty in real life, but not so much on the camera, but life sometimes sucks, but you gotta stay in there, kids. Even grown-ups too.
Then by this time, you start adding your borax.
But make sure it's all stirred in so there's like no white shaving cream. But you don't have to worry about the shaving cream. You just start pouring in the borax. But I have so much that it's not even starting to pick up. So we're using what are we using?
A tablespoon.
We're using a tablespoon because if you make a ton of slime like I am, you need a tablespoon. But if you're making a small one like
You need a teaspoon.
this is not small. So you might join us with our party that we're gonna do, like our slime party, maybe.
You might have a satisfying video later.
So what you're this is like at like what you're this is at 10:03 at night. Yeah, 10:02. To be more exact. But so you're just gonna touch it, and if it's really like sticky, then you're gonna add more. So can I name it Sponge Blossom? Wait, what?
This is gonna be named Orange Blossom. You will see that in the satisfying video.
Yeah, we're gonna show all of the slimes, and it's gonna be in slow-mo. Can you part
This
of it.
is a very light slime. It's super pretty.
I'm gonna add more. And don't add as much shaving cream as I did, because it kind of goes. See, I told you. But it's what you gotta do for a video, so.
Need. Then, by this time, you're gonna start eating it. I'll add.
No, I don't need it anymore, like right now. So you're just gonna start kneading it, and it might get a little messy. So, well, see you guys in another video.